Hello, and welcome to another Power Defense instructional video. Power Defense is Eaton's line of molded case circuit breakers that range from 15 amps to 2500 amps across 6 frames. Today, we're talking about the Power Defense Frame 5.
This globally rated circuit breaker provides electronic protection with Eaton's state-of-the-art PXR trip units and has both an 800 amp and 1200 amp construction. Carrying continuous current ratings of 320 amps up to 1200 amps, the PD5 is available with interruption ratings up to 150 Ka at 480 volts and has a 100% rated current option. The PD5 trip unit, featuring integral metering and breaker health, is also field interchangeable and can be configured with ground fault protection, arms, and multiple communication options.
Let's take a look at these step-by-step instructions for today's demonstration.
Always work safely. For this installation, press the push to trip button to ensure the breaker is in the trip position before continuing. The PD5 has 4 screws, each securing the upper and lower terminal shields. Remove these screws as shown. The outer screws will be a different size than the inner screws. Make sure to note the differences and keep the screws so that the shields can be replaced after the trip unit replacement. Next, remove the 2 screws on the breaker front cover to separate it from the frame. To change the trip unit style on the PDG5, only the trip unit cover plate needs to be changed. To remove this cover plate, unfasten the screws to the bottom right and top left of the trip unit as shown. The hardware required to operate all trip unit styles is included with the breaker. The PXR20 trip unit can provide LSI or LSIG protection with and without the arms feature. These settings are adjustable by the dials on the front of the unit. The PXR25 has the same protection settings, but features an LCD screen where more finite incremental adjustments can be made to each setting via the on-screen menus and navigation arrows. To install a different style of trip unit, simply push the new cover plate onto the circuit board as shown. The connector pins should match up with the connector on the back of the cover plate. The red push to trip button can also be used to line up the cover plate correctly. Refasten the 2 mounting screws to fasten the new trip unit cover plate in place as shown. To complete the installation, reinstall the breaker cover, fastening the 2 screws as shown. Then, reinstall the upper and lower terminal shields. This concludes the PD5 trip unit replacement.
Thanks again for watching. We hope this instructional video was helpful.
For additional instructional videos, 3D drawings, tech data sheets, catalog information, and more, visit our website at eaton.com/powerdefense.